Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We got the pleasure of showing a gorgeous new brokerage listing today. This is a 2021 Ocean Alexander 45 Divergence Coupe. So it's absolutely gorgeous, loaded with the best options, captain maintained, professionally washed and detailed. Absolutely stunning boat. Fierce look. Very comfortable cruise. This boat's powered by quad 400 Mercury Verados, equipped with a generator, Seakeeper, all of the greatest electronics that you need. It's also got Starlink up top, FLIR, open array radar. As you can see in the photos, it's got the fold down sides in the cockpit, boarding doors within both sides. We got an electric actuated sunshade that pops out of the hardtop, lights, speakers, entertainment station right here, the TV, a grill, fridge, freshwater sink, well-appointed catwalk up to the bow area. Solid, beautiful stainless hardware throughout, keeping you safe. You've got a cockpit table that pops up out of the floor. You've also got an electric actuated aft garage for your fenders and lines. Sliding glass door right here into the galley here towards the helm. Beautiful finish on the table. Garmin electronics on this one. This boat has the Octoplex system. So at the tip of your fingers, you can access controls for every system on the boat. Makes everything very easy. You've got engine information built into both the Garmins with the NEMA backbone. You've also got your touchscreen SmartCraft here. You can see the hours, 276. This does have the Mercury joystick with autopilot, skyhook. You've also got the bow thruster. Very easy to maneuver. Very comfortable docking. Great visibility too. Full windshield. This is the coupe version, so you've got this enclosed pilot house, climate controlled. You've also got good visibility standing at the helm of the transom and the engines. Like I said, this boat is captain maintained, professionally washed and detailed regularly, and it shows. It's in great shape. Very spacious for a 45. Fridge freezer combo, your cooktop, freshwater sink, microwave down below, storage throughout. Just the little things, the lights, the accent lights, the hardware, the fit and finish on this boat is outstanding. Moving up into the V berth. We've got lights throughout. Very comfortable bed up here. A few steps. You've got your TV off to the port side. Beautiful flooring, It's a dry head. Really beautiful boat. You can probably tell from the photos and the video. Moving back to the mid berth here. Beautiful boat. Off to the side, you can stand up. Down in the berth, close this up, access to your AC unit. Beautiful natural light come in on both sides of the boat. You've got storage, closet space, couch area off to the side. New to the market is this 2021 Ocean Alexander. We walk up to the bow. I'm not having to shuffle. I can walk one foot in front of the other here. Got really nice space up front. Access to your anchor windlass. Just a beautiful boat. Really aggressive look to it. Yacht qualities of Ocean Alexander. So you've got the Garmin Open Array, you've got your spotlight. This boat does have AIS as well. You've got Starlink, FLIR. Absolutely beautiful. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to call me on my cell. That number is 239-249-4345. Again, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. This is Pat Wilkins showing you the Ocean Alexander 45 Divergence Coupe. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.